guys, it's Lo here again from Nino and Lo, and today we're talking all about planting cannas from seeds. I love planting cannas in the summertime. I have them all over my garden, usually in containers. I do put them into my beds as well. I've done lots of videos about them. I'll leave the links in the description. Let's get right to it. So I got some seeds in there, some Canna Lily seeds. You can see that they have the little white roots sprouting. I scarified them. Scarify is just a fancy way of saying I put a little nick into the shell of the seed. See that? That's a root. Don't mind my dirty nails. I've just been planting. But you see, when you scarify the seeds and put a little hot water and soak them for a week or so, this is less than a week, and they've already started pushing out roots. And they've been sitting in water now for about a week, and the little roots have emerged. So now I'm going to put them into this expanded little jiffy puck. I've used this little divot tool that I have here to create a little hole. And I'm just going to put the seed in there and cover it up, and then put it over here with the rest of the Canna Lily seeds that have sprouted under the light, and we'll see how it goes. Now these have been here for about a week in these little jiffy pucks, and if you can look, if this will focus, you'll see a bunch of little roots have formed, and I have one little Canna Lily that's popped out through the top. So I'm going to pot it up into this. I use these water bottles. I just cut off the tops, and I'm just going to put some potting mix in here, nice and fluffy, and I'm going to give it some more room to grow because it's clearly growing out of the jiffy puck already. And this is what it looks like now, about a week later after potting it up into this water bottle. It's really coming along. Now the rest of them are taking their own time. I think I have one more trying to poke its head there, but the rest of them are taking their sweet little time to poke their heads up, but I'm being very patient and just keeping them moist and covered with a little plastic wrap. I put that over it tightly so it maintains its humidity, and I keep them under the lights, and sometimes I give it a little bit of bottom heat to hope to speed up germination. But I at least have one plant for the summer so far. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little update on my canna seeds. Happy gardening.